they sitting or not, I like this shoe, man. I really like this shoe, guys. So it's only right I had to double back and give you guys a how to style. On the Jordan 1 Reimagined, you could get them for $150. Now, don't mean we ain't gonna get an outfit to make them fire.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.
Yes, sir. So, it's winter. I'm in New York. It's cold outside now. So I'm going to start with the Yeezy Gap Perfect Hoodie in that royal blue colorway. Perfect match for the winter. This hoodie, so comfortable, guys. We kind of forgot about the Yeezy Gap situation since the Adidas one has not been rectified. But man, this is a perfect match for those Jordan 1 Royal Reimagineds. Forget it. Let's stay hoodies. This is an All Saints hoodie. You know the material, All Saints. And I know when you think of All Saints, you think of like expensive. This is $100, guys. So on the front, you get a nice clown in that royal blue colorway. On the back, you get that same clown in a huge colorway. Perfect match, man. Not as thick as the Yeezy Gap hoodie, but definitely comfort, definitely quality. Yeah, All Saints. I don't have a price tag here, but trust me, guys, it's not what you're thinking. Very affordable. A tee that really caught my eye was the Cactus Jack Fortnite Astronomical tee. On the front, you got black and blue, just like the sneaker. Perfect match, but you get busy on the back with the Fortnite skin Travis Scott joint. Perfect match. You could get this on StockX for under retail. That Fortnite collab ain't really do too well for us for the resellers, but dope pieces was in there, man. You get all the logos there. This is dope. Staying in that royal blue and black is the Rolling Stones tee by Zara. I like this match. Yeah, you got a little red in it, but it's a Jordan. I don't really see a Jordan without red in it, but I really like this match, especially the back with the faded Rolling Stones logo on top of those blue and black royal joints. Perfect match. Again, affordable. This tee comes from a company I've been watching for about 6 months now. The material is fire. The graphics they come up with is fire. I think they're called the Obsessed Graphics. Google that or look on Instagram, Obsessed Graphics. This one here is the Sade tee. It's on an Urban Outfitters tee, so you know the comfort. The blue from the Sade background on the black tee. And this is a perfect match, guys. Perfect match. Two shorts I really like the match for. First is the Chinatown market. Well, just the market now. Shorts, man, sweat shorts. Got the blue, got the black, got the smiley faces. The back pocket is black bandana with the Chinatown market, so you know it's a classic. They just go by the market now. This is a perfect match, guys. But so is these Bravest Studio Paris shorts. Under $80, guys, if you get them from the website. If you go third party, they're going to try to tax you. I seen StockX for like $200. But these Bravest Studio shorts is a perfect match, a play on the Go Yard joints. If you don't know, Bravest Studios is the company that brought us the Louis Vuitton shorts that everyone been going crazy over. They done switched it up, went to Go Yard. They got some Gucci joints. But these ones is fire. Penny Hardaway Orlando Magic jersey, man. Now, I usually reserve this match for these joints right here that's actually coming back out. I don't know if y'all seen the Sneakers Live video, but these are coming back out 2024. Mine's is still crisp. This is one of the OG sneakers I'll never get rid of. But the match on them Royals is also perfect. You got the blue, you got the black, and then you just got some pinstripes just to show more love. I like this one. Hats. That's just like a layup, man. If you want to just start with the Supreme Box logo hat, perfect match, man. The blue, this is perfect. The Rock Nation Paper Plains hat, one of the most popular hats on the planet for the last couple of years. You get it in that royal blue colorway with the black and white domino look from the plane, and you get a pin. The LA Dodgers hat, you could do it regular, or you could do the Eric Emmanuel joint. They both match, got that royal, and it's going to bring the outfit out. And again, it's getting cold outside, so a Scully is a must. I like this Supreme world famous hat. It's very busy, and the overall color is that royal blue. Yes, sir. So this has been a quick how to style as promised from my last video. Jordan 1 Reimagined, and they not that bad, guys. You get the perfect outfit together, man, and this sneaker is dope, man. Let me know in the comment section below if you need help securing anything you've seen in this video, pricing. I'm here to help. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.